Dear students, it's my great pleasure to congratulate you on the completion of your pre-university study. This must be an exciting time for you to start new exploration of higher education. I wish you the best in this journey. Why should you consider the School of Computer Science and Engineering at NTU? SCSE NTU is a world-renowned computer science and engineering school for higher learning that is known for its excellent curriculum, outstanding research, and top talented faculty. Over the past 32 years, SCSE has developed into a world-leading computer science and engineering school, which is consistently ranked among top in the world. Today, we are ranked number 2 for computer science in the latest list of the US News and World Report Best Global Universities. And NTU is recognized as the top university for AI research and citation impact. We are proud to host 3 of the AI Top 10 to Watch, who are among the many talented professors in the school. At SCSE, you are learning from the people who are on the cutting edge of AI, blockchain, brain-computer interface, cloud computing, cybersecurity, data analytics, embedded computing, edge computing, and countless other fields. It's not just an education, you are co-creating the future. Our innovative and dynamic curriculum, coupled with work-study programs in industry, continue to attract top undergraduate students. In 2019, we accepted an unprecedented number of 1,200 undergraduate students. This represents close to 2 times increase in the past 3 years. SCSE launched its flagship Data Science and Artificial Intelligence DSAI Bachelor of Science degree in 2018, one of the first undergraduate degrees in AI in the world. In 2020, we will be introducing a revitalized undergraduate curriculum to meet the latest needs of industry, while ensuring that our students learn the fundamental concepts, tools, and the results in a modern computing to prepare them for lifelong learning. SCSE boasts a research culture of over 200 million of active research grants, supported by our team of 80 internationally acclaimed faculty members and 220 research scientists and engineers. Our reputation and our extensive network of academic, industrial, and governmental collaborators help us to attract the best professors from all over the world. SCSE has established numerous world-class joint research institutes and corporate labs in partnership with leading companies such as Intel, Alibaba, HP, and WeBank. This has created opportunities for the EDB industrial postgraduate programs, which attract more Singaporean students into our programs. Many of our alumni are renowned engineers, scientists, and technology business experts and entrepreneurs. The current high industry demand for AI, data science, and cybersecurity talent provides excellent career opportunities and high salaries for our graduates. In the 2019 MOE Graduates Employment Survey, graduates from our double degree in business and computing are the top earners among NTU graduates. As undergraduates at SCSE, you can look forward to a nurturing environment with excellent learning opportunities. I'm certain that many of you will become the future leaders of the grand challenges facing our world. It's my pleasure to invite you to follow us on our social media and visit our school webpage to gather more information about our programs, student life, and growth prospects at SCSE NTU. On behalf of all of us at SCSE, I send you our best wishes for an enriching and enjoyable undergraduate experience.